The city of Driggs is being sued by the U.S. Department of Justice for not being compliant with its wastewater discharge at the city's water treatment plant. Eyewitness News 3's Braden Wilson tells us how, despite the suit, the city feels it may be an opportunity.
The wastewater plant servicing Driggs and Victor is the subject of a suit against the city of Driggs. The reason for the suit is the amount of ammonia in the discharge water from the plant. City Mayor August Christensen says the suit is far from surprising.
So we have known that this is coming for quite some time. We have been involved with the EPA and the DEQ and working with them to make sure that we are in alignment with them.
The Director of Public Works for the city, Jay Mazalewski, says despite their best efforts in reaching compliance, the plant wasn't consistent in function to its design.
But unfortunately, it does not work for ammonia removal. It does remove 90 to 95% of the other constituents most of the time. So we're removing 90 to 95% of the biological oxygen demand, 90 to 95% of the total suspended solids, and meeting our E. coli limits most of the time. So we're doing what we need to do, but the ammonia, this plant can't seem to handle the ammonia.
Mayor Christensen says having the suit is a blessing in disguise.
The DOJ suing us seems really scary, but in fact having resources from the federal government is going to be helpful, and we both have the same goal, that we both want to have the City of Driggs wastewater treatment plant come into compliance.
The executive director for the Friends of the Teton River organization says the work to bring the plant into compliance is critical.
It's critically important that the wastewater treatment facility for our community is in compliance with all of the regulations for water quality. This settlement will ensure that we move forward and bring that treatment plant into compliance. We are looking forward to continuing to work with the City of Driggs, as we have been to this point, to come up with a solution that is going to be the best possible solution for our community, for the environment, for the people who live here.
In 2018, the city and the Environmental Protection Agency reached a legal agreement that Driggs would upgrade the plant to come into compliance with wastewater rules within 2 years. That did not happen, triggering the federal lawsuit. The Department of Justice is asking a judge to fine the city, order it to comply with the Clean Water Act, and other federal pollution rules. In Driggs, I'm Braden Wilson.